Holy moly, guys! Oh my gosh, guys, you won't believe what I came across today. Okay, so oh my gosh, I was so blown away by what this person can do. Okay, by what her voice can do. You know what? Her voice is amazing. It's like, oh my goodness me, I just can't believe it. Okay, so I'm so happy that person, my friend, he sent me the link of the video of this girl singing. Okay, she's covering some song, and as soon as she opens her mouth, I was like, oh my gosh, this girl is so freaking good, man. Okay, so I'm so excited. I'm so happy to show you guys who this girl is. Okay, I'm so excited. So this girl, her name is Joanna. I think most of you haven't heard of her. Okay, so now this is the time I'm gonna show you guys. You won't regret. She has the best voice, man. Okay, let's go. Let's check out. Okay, let's see her voice. Okay. EGAT Studio, recording studio.
Listen to the song here in my heart, a melody I start but can't complete.
Oh my gosh, her voice is so soothing, so calm. Like, it's like so, you know. Man, I love her voice.
Sound from deep within, it's only beginning to find release.
Yes, I'm relieved hearing her voice.
Time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside and turned into your own. All 'cause you
Oh, man, I'm getting goosebumps. Oh my goodness me. Oh man, the way she controls her voice, she's like very professional. Oh my goodness me, guys, you should check her out, man. Like, subscribe.
You should
Wow.
listen, 'cause someone's here inside. Someone I thought I died so long ago. Oh, I'm screaming out, and my dreams will be heard. They will not be pushed aside or thrown into your own. All 'cause you won't listen.
Man,
I'm not at home in my own home, and I've tried to see what's on my mind. You
lagay.
now I'm done believing you. You don't know what I feel like. I'm more than what you made of me. I followed the
I love this song so much.
you gave to me, but now I've gotta find my own. I don't know
Whoa.
where I am, but I'll be moving on.
Yes.
If you don't, if you won't,
Oh, yeah. Getting goosebumps again. Man.
song here in mind.
Agay rasyo best speaker na. Rasyo trim.
Now I'm done believing you. You don't know what I feel like. I'm more than what you made of me. I followed the voice you think you gave to me, but now I
Whoa! Whoa! Oh wow! Man, that was so good! Lashubas. Oh my gosh, guys! I mean, for a young girl like her, I mean, like, oh, she's so professional. Oh my gosh, I love her voice. I love her, man. You guys should check out her channel. Okay, I'll keep the link in my description. Okay, like, share, subscribe to her channel, man. She deserves a lot of support. I mean, her voice is just amazing. Guys, somehow but like, share, but subscribe ke channel jeng ini kena badan Syah kasab bal ayu blame. She really has the talent God has given her. Oh my gosh. Okay, so okay guys, this was my first time hearing her voice, and I'm gonna check for some more videos of her. I'm gonna react to some more of her videos, and I'm so happy that I found out her channel. Hearing her voice is so good, makes me so happy. Okay, so thank you so much guys, and also it's getting really cold and I'm wearing this shawl. Okay, my aunt give it to me. Do you like it? I love this. Oh, it's very warm, you know. Look, I can do it like I can cover my whole face, you know. I can cover it like this. I can do it in any style I want. I can, you know, I can stand. Obviously I can stand. Yeah, so thank you so much guys. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and also this girl, check her out. Okay, check out her channel, share her videos, support her. Okay, man, support our local talent. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys in another video.